Hello, this is Ben and Marina from Notes in Spanish, and we are in Madrid's Casa de Campo Park, which is, where is it, Marina?
It's to the west of the city, or it's in the outskirts of the city, and it's a big wild park.
It's very wild, highly recommended.
Full of pine trees.
Perfectly safe and a joy to wander around. Feels like you're in real nature. So the other day I posted an Instagram photo with a picture of Marina in Chueca, the barrio de Chueca, a neighborhood of Chueca in Madrid. And the title I put, can you remember?
Yes, it was Campando a nuestras anchas por Chueca.
Right, and people said, what does this mean? So I thought, well, let's make a video, explain it a bit and add some similar phrases. So again, this is the real Spanish that we love at Notes in Spanish. Campando a nuestras anchas, what does it mean?
It means wandering freely and happily around Chueca.
Yeah, just with not a care in the world.
Yeah, no hurry.
It's a funny phrase porque campando sounds like camping. Anchas sounds like the width, as in length, width, breadth, depth. It makes no sense.
Ben's translation is camping at our width.
Camping at our widths. That's the literal translation. But yeah, it means to go for an easy wander. So that's campando
a nuestras anchas.
Yeah, or a tus anchas, or whatever.
A vuestras anchas.
A sus anchas. We saw some rabbits earlier in the Casa de Campo. And they
Campando a sus anchas.
Campando a sus anchas, having a lovely leisurely stroll around.
Time.
So, another phrase similar to that, Marina.
Yes, next phrase we've got similar is dar una vuelta. For example, Ben, ¿te vienes a dar una vuelta a Madrid?
Do I want to go for a wander around Madrid?
Yeah.
Fenomenal. Okay, another one.
We have pasar el rato.
Pasar rato, which again literally sounds like let's pass the rat, although a rato isn't a rat.
Let's pass.
A rat is rata. Okay.
Yeah. Rato,
Anyway.
No, rato is a short period of time. Well,
So,
like
yeah, a rato is that, a brief period of time.
Indefinite period of time, more or less.
Okay.
So, Ben, ¿te vienes a pasar un rato conmigo a la terraza?
Okay, should we go and hang out for a while on the terrace? Pues por supuesto, Marina. Me encantaría, gracias.
Estás muy dispuesto hoy, ¿eh?
Estoy hoy, digo que sí a todo.
A todo.
I'll
Eso
say
me
yes
gusta.
to everything. Dangerous, yes. Not too many chores, though. And finally we have...
Pasar el día.
Okay, ¿vamos a pasar el día en el Escorial?
Fenomenal. ¿Me invitas a comer?
Por supuesto. So, shall we go and spend the day in el Escorial? And then she said, will you pay for my lunch? Me invitas a comer means, will you invite me to lunch? But
Invite in Spanish.
in Spanish, invite's a bit of a false friend. It means you're paying.
Yeah.
So if somebody says, would you invite me for lunch? Be careful if you don't want to pay for them. Of course I'll invite you for lunch. Ah, you mean pay, okay. Pero a ti te invito a comer cuando quieras.
Fenomenal. Pues vamos.
Venga.
Hasta luego.
Okay, so that's some phrases. That's some phrases for today. Use them. They're completely Spanish, completely real, and completely useful, like everything we teach you at Notes in Spanish. And come and get more at notesinspanish.com. Sign up for our newsletter. We're always sending phrases like that out with our newsletters. ¿Algo más?
Nada más.
Venga. Hasta luego.
Adiós.